This weather is December 2022, beginner of 2022, December 7 or 8, and now 2023, the weather is big different. The last year, December 2022, we have a heavy snow for 4 or 5 days. Everybody was stuck in BC area, in Vancouver area. We never had that kind of snow. As you can see, other side, this is 2023, and it's nothing snow. It's just only a little bit snow, not that much. On different date, 1 week after, and it's only like raining mixed snow. As you can see, it's not even snow. It's just kind of snowing, but not like the one it gave messed up in the city. So even the city cleanup, they don't even show up because the rain started right away and then the weather is melted. The snow is melted so fast. But as you can see, one on the right, one on the left, it's 2022. That's as you can see how is the blizzard, and it was even minus something, -3, -4. This side it's kind of raining, and it's compared to it's not even the same, because the weather always cannot be the same. This year in British Columbia and Vancouver area, it's good weather, because compared to the other year on 2022, it was a lot of accident by this time, a lot of highway shutdown, a lot of disaster was going on. Too much things they never prepare in British Columbia. But this year, I'm sure they prepared, but somehow it doesn't show up the way they expected. So, but somehow, always the budget they designed to be spent is always there. It's just sitting. They've been saving for next year. So I hope they do the next year when it's happening. They don't have to say, we just didn't expect BC and British Columbia, the kind of weather. The weather can happen anytime. You never know. You cannot trust 3W. Everybody knows that. You can trust 3W, weather, work, and whatever it is. You know what I mean? I don't want to add it extra, You can do your own mind. So this is what it's all about, the weather, 3W, you can trust it. And this year is on the right side. You can see just only a little bit of snow. On the left side is the one, the heavy snow. As you can see, too much snow. So the weather always it just doesn't design equal, and always gonna be. It might be this way, it's gonna be good. It might be other way, other side is gonna be bad. So you never know. But somehow, it's always you never know. You have to be prepared. You gotta be prepared. You know what I mean?